got good news for you, bad news for us. What's happening, Pond Peeps? Hey, right off the bat, I want to give a shout out to Raylene. On the last video, in the comments, she said she wanted to see more pond maintenance videos. Well, that's what we're doing today. It's not a regular video again, but it's another maintenance day. So we're going to drag you guys along, and we're going to show you some of the maintenance stuff we do. Let me tell you something. I want to talk back and forth with you guys. If you guys want to shout out, comment down below like Raylene did, and we'll talk back and forth. Tell me what you want to see and what you want to know. Again, thanks to Raylene. Okay guys, again, this is an atypical project today. This is a wall fountain, or water wall, a lot of people call it. We're actually going out here because the pump has quit working. We're going to check out which pump it's got and put a new one in there. Quick and easy, check it out. Obviously, we didn't build this, so I'm not exactly sure what's inside this vault box here. So we're going to open it up and see what's happening. Pull that lid off of there. There's my pump cord. Here's my pump. Okay. Right off the bat, I see my first problem. When they put this pump in, they didn't give us a connector so that we could easily maintain it or remove it. So I have to cut the pipe right in half to pull the pump out, even see what it is. We know the pump's bad. We've got electricity. The pump is just old and doesn't work. Check this receiver out. This has a switch on the bottom. See right there, the toggle switch? One side is remote control, one side is manual. So we're gonna switch it like that, plug it back in. They've got it to a GFI, which you always have to have it hooked up to a GFI breaker in case there's a short or something happens, it won't shock anybody. The pump has a special fitting that plugs right into there. We're on manual, we're on automatic right now, so I'm gonna put it on manual. It kicked on, okay. So I know I've got juice. Okay, I know I've got juice and I know the pump kicks on. So I'm gonna grab the remote control and try some water flow control. Let's see what happens here. It's on setting 1. That's pretty strong. Let's see what happens when it goes up. 3. That's full blast right there. It's pretty good. Turn it off, I just hold that middle. There we go. Back on, it's the same thing. Look at that. Hot dog. We have water. Now we'll just put the rock back together and we'll make sure it's all pretty and we'll get out of here. Pond Peeps, this thing is done. The pump went in slick and easy, just like it was made for it. Go figure. Hey, this thing looks wonderful. It's a maintenance day. On maintenance days, we do a little of everything. Not only maintain and keep the ponds looking great, we do repairs and service. This one needed a pump, the next one may have a leak that needs repair. Let's go see what it is. We're gonna run down the road, do another maintenance stop. Stay with us on this one and we'll show you where it goes. I'll just make you cry. I don't wanna fight with you. Guys, check it out. We're at our next maintenance stop. This is my favorite stop of the whole bunch. Now we're gonna do things a little bit different here. Last time we were here, we showed you some of the water features. Today, we're gonna show you some of what we do while we're here. But I'm gonna run and leave David to explain what we do and show you some of the little bit of maintenance that goes on. I lost it.
Okay, what's up everybody? So I'm gonna take over the vlog for right now. He's gotta get out of here, so catch you guys over there when we're actually getting stuff done. So let's go. Boom. Okay, so this is the pond that I have to clean. This is one of the 3 that we have. I actually have to clean all of these. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a bunch of leaves down here. So I have to take all of those leaves out because if we don't take them out, then they're gonna sink down to the bottom and continue to rot, and the water starts to smell and you get just a bunch of bad stuff. So that's the first thing we gotta do, is clean all of these leaves that are just hanging out here. We have to get them out of here because they're not wanted. So we're gonna get on that, and then I'll show you guys what we do right after this. Let's go. Okay, so 4 buckets, and this thing's clean. I don't know if you guys seen it before, but damn, that thing looks good. All the way down. Look at that, clear. Beautiful. Okay, so now I gotta take this bucket, and we're on to the next one. Sorry for the wind if you guys can hear that. But next feature right here, got a bunch of leaves and stuff at the bottom we gotta clean out. But yep, so we're just gonna get on this, and then I'll show you guys after what it looks like. Okay, so you guys can see there's a crap load of freaking leaves in this part of the pond. Okay, pond peeps. Okay, so check it out. The whole stream is cleared, as you guys can see. I just got it all finished. Only took 1 bucket. The other one took 4 buckets. Dude, that's crazy. This one had a lot of leaves, but I mean, this thing's jam-packed. Like, this thing is packed tight. So that's all the leaves we got from this one. We got 1 more to go. I gotta go empty this bucket, and then I got 1 more to clean, and then we should be good. Yep. Oh, you know what? While I'm here, you guys might as well turn on the post notification button, the little bell. You click that, and then you guys will be notified as soon as we upload another video. Make sure you guys like this video, give it a big old thumbs up, leave a comment down below. If you guys think that I did a good job or you think I did a bad job, I'm okay with hearing both sides, but you know what? I want to hear what you have to say. So leave a comment down below and let us know what you think. I'm on to the next one. Let's get it.
Okay guys, we're gonna call it a day here and not go do the rest of the maintenance. We'll pick that up on another day. Hey, do me a favor. Give me a positive comment down below. I'm gonna start doing, as you saw in the beginning of this video, positive comment shout outs. Now you could be the next one. Give one down there and I'll get it to you. Catch you on the next one.